Hi, this is Dr. Habib. I want to describe how I make my savory oatmeal. So of course, the main thing is to boil some water. And for every cup of water, I put in 2 dessert spoons of steel-cut oats. And steel-cut oats does take some time, almost 30 minutes. So the aim is to bring the water to a boil, add your oats, keep stirring, and then as it's getting slightly thicker, turn down the flame and continue to stir periodically. When it's halfway done in about 15 minutes, you can now start to add some of the flavoring that bring out and blend all that flavoring in, which is in the form of, I use dash. It's a blend of different herbs as well as celery. And then the garlic, you can add as much or as little for taste as you like. Same with salt and pepper, as much or as little as you like. That's the main combination for the savory aspects of the oats. Now, when the oats is halfway done, I added my diced celery. I made them small enough so that they would give a little bit of a crunch and they wouldn't overpower the oats. They will blend in nicely. And so when those go in, I'm nearing the latter half of my cooking period. And as it comes to the last 5 minutes, I'm ready to finish off with my butter, which thickens it, flavors it, salts it a little bit. And then I finally add my frozen cooked shrimp, which take just 2 minutes to defrost and cook within that blend. And to finish off, what I would do is add Parmesan for people who like it. You can actually put it in the middle of your cooking. That adds another dimension. You can add dairy or coconut milk, another dimension. But I chose to do without the dairy, without the coconut milk, and without the Parmesan. But with the Parmesan, that can be drizzled on top. And then if you want to just garnish it with the herb. So that's my savory oatmeal. It's good because it's a complete meal. Even without the shrimp, it's a complete meal. The shrimp just adds a layer of protein. You can substitute the shrimp with chicken. You can substitute the shrimp with anything you like, another form of protein. But the oats itself is a complete meal. Complete in its complex carbohydrate, that means sugars don't surge. It's complete because it has high amounts of soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber actually lowers cholesterol. The insoluble fiber feeds the microbes in the gut, making the gut more healthy. In addition, it is packed with protein as well. So the reason I say it's complete, it's complex carbs, protein, as well as fats. So these fats are polyunsaturated fats. These are healthy fats. So that's why oats is a complete meal, and oat in a savory fashion with your choice of protein is a wonderful complete meal.